won't that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.
Alright guys, back with another video. Just a brief update. Of course, y'all know we took everything out of the white truck. So, of course, I was gonna build the enclosure for that, but I'm not gonna mess with that. But for this one, I was gonna send it to somebody to let them do this one. I had already been in talks with somebody, but and a few people had offered to do something, but or whatnot. But I think it'd be better for the channel if I build it myself in here or whatnot, you know, because it'll be more content for the channel, and then, you know, we can do a DIY type deal, you know, doing this one right here. So of course I gotta get back his wire. He been headed in the back, you know, he always got something going. But yeah, that's some 4-0 wire. Make sure y'all check out Sky High, and y'all can pick that up. Use code BASSWITHKEV, you can get a discount. Or WC Car Audio, you can get a discount over there. Use code BASSWITHKEV over there too. So be sure to use the code down below, guys, to support the channel. You know, it don't cost y'all nothing. Most of them give y'all a discount. Every code down there will give y'all a discount except one. Downtown don't give a discount, but, you know, it's just a referral code to let them know I sent you over there. You know, y'all support the channel. Be sure to use that. But, yeah, man. Today, I just ordered I got the tags on here, but I had to renew the tags. So I got that taken care of, and we got this thing cleaned out a little bit better than what it was, because it just had a bunch of stuff stored in it from the other build. So we just took all of that out and kept on going and whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's just a little brief update. I ain't gonna drag the video out too long. Of course, y'all noticed the 2003 Chevrolet Suburban. I try not to put it on there too much, you know, because I have so much going on. I don't really get a chance to mess with this one because I'm trying to mess with the video so much. So I was kind of like, I'm on the fence about doing something, because I never really had a chance to really mess with it like that. Like with the white truck, I really never had a chance to play it, so I really want to go over the top with it. But this one right here, I kind of want to go over the top. Even if I don't bring it to shows all the time, you know, it's just something I can ride around on the daily and play and have fun with for myself. So, you know, with the white truck, I didn't want to really play it like that, because I was trying to keep the truck intact. I didn't want to tear it up, you know. So that's why I really never turned it all the way up and nothing like that, because my roof go to flexing and I don't have any deadener or wood up under there to keep all that from happening. So I wanted to keep everything looking pretty fair. So I got my third row back in that truck, so I just want to be able to have a little fun with something and really enjoy it without me having to worry about it. Because at least if I tear something up in this one, I can just go to the salvage yard and just replace whatever I need to pretty easily. It's like, for example, anything I can go to the junkyard and to the salvage yard and just find any part for this truck versus the 03, no, not the 03, the 07 to 13 models. It's like, it's hard to find. Like, most people don't even take them to the junkyard. They may make more money when they just sell them on the marketplace or Craigslist, or, you know, just, you know, sell the parts themselves. You know, so you know, in the part, like, for example, door panels for the 2011 model, the white truck, or the 2007 I got, they all kind of the same. They look similar, but on those two. But I try to price some door panels in the I've got quoted like $350 a door panel, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, it's not like it's a new one, so you know what I'm saying? So, and they have issues with those door panels, and they still want $350 to $550 for them. So, you know, I'd rather just, if I'm gonna mess up something and take that chance, I'd rather just take that chance with this one right here, and just do this. You know, at least if I tear it up, I can put it back together. Of course, y'all already see the headliner. When I got it, it was already like this. I actually got this truck and probably drove it a month, and it's been sitting here probably for 2 years. 1 to 2 years, yeah, about 2 years. Cause I bought this one, then I turned around and bought that silver one over there. So I don't know. You know, I bought this one to keep from driving the white truck. Then I bought the silver one truck because I seen it and I wanted it. So then I bought it. And then, you know, now I just parked this one. So I'm gonna try to make this a daily driver with a system in it, because I ain't really never had a daily that I just drove around. So I figure I'll go ahead and do that. And I want y'all to leave some ideas. I'm kind of free to do whatever at this point, because it's a clean slate. There's nothing in here. So you know, I don't really want to go too far on the sub, but you know, I don't really want to go with a B pillar, but I got quite a bit of space from this back piece right here all the way up to that second row right there. I probably got like this tape measure ain't right. It ain't the best. It is messed up. It's actually kind of crooked. I think I got about 60 inches from there to there. Let me see. I'm doing this with one hand. I ain't even bring no tripod out here then. All right. I got a little crook up there, but anyway, look. I got about 65 inches to the back right here. So I think there's plenty enough room to do something pretty decent. So y'all let me know down in the comments what you believe would be a good thing. I really don't want to go with a no wall, but I'm gonna probably do a no wall in my other car because I want to keep it simple and clean, just a clean, nice look. You know, it ain't gonna be nothing too extravagant, but I want to make it, I'm gonna dress it up real nice and make it look real good. So, you know, it'll still be something I have and it'll look good and it'll sound good. So I'm gonna keep that kind of simple and plain, but this one, I want to kind of put something big in it. And of course, I had 2 18s on the last one. I got rid of all of that. So I'm starting with, like I said, that's why I tell you, a fresh new start, because I don't have any equipment at this moment. No amps, no subwoofer. So it's just a fresh start. So y'all let me know what y'all suggest down in the comments down below. Never know. You know, I've been looking at a lot of new brands, but you know, I'm open to anything at this point. So like I said, I ain't got no equipment at this point. So anything, you know, is gonna be something versus what I'm playing here now. It's a factory system. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe, use the codes down below in the description to support the channel. Most of those are discount codes, like I told you. Discount codes, discount links. Make sure to use code BASSWITHKEV at all websites. The only website you can't use BASSWITHKEV at is Down for Sound. You have to use BWK. There's just a referral code. Let them know I sent you over there. And I appreciate y'all support if that's what, you know, what you choose to do. You know, if nothing else, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos. And I'm going to see y'all back on the next one. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.
I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.